Guys, welcome to my first video. I am Avnish. I am 8 years old. This is my first Boom Beach video. So, so today we will be doing a few attacks on Boom Beach. This is the first time I'm playing this game, so I'm not sure of what it is about. It's been a long time, so as per what I remember, you go here, and scout. Then, as soon as you press on scout, a base appears which you could actually wreck. So, let's go ahead and attack this one. So, there goes the heavy and the others as well. So, let's rocket that. Let's rocket that again. Oops. Oops. I just dropped a flare. But it's fine, it's all fine, guys. So, let's rocket on the HQ. We'll heal them up with the medic. Just waste all this, guys, because we've already won this one. So this girl is telling something. So we have a great victory here with no casualties. So that's great. So we end the video here with one attack for today, and be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel.